A manual hand crank opens a 20 by 30 foot glass wall. Using a counterbalance principle with a set of gears, similar to a bicycle, allows minimal force to pivot the 6-ton steel and glass window, which opens 90 degrees. It's so lightweight that even a child could operate it easily. Though the mechanism employs sophisticated mechanical engineering, the result is not unlike opening a tent flap, allowing fresh air and unobstructed views to flow into the chicken point cabin. Located on the shores of a picturesque lake in northern Idaho, the cabin is designed to be as open to the water as possible, fulfilling the residents' request with a large pivoting picture window that literally opens the house to the landscape. The design concept consists of 3 primary parts: a concrete block box with a plywood insert and a 4-foot diameter steel fireplace, the bong. Materials like concrete block, steel, concrete floors, and plywood are low maintenance and left unfinished to naturally age and acquire a patina that blends with the natural setting. The steel entry door is 19 feet tall. A plywood loft, containing the primary suite, is suspended in the concrete block structure and overlooks the living area, while additional bedrooms and service spaces are positioned on either side of the main volume. Renowned for creating structurally robust yet movable and adaptable buildings, many describe the firm's work as part machine, part architecture. From residences in the Pacific Northwest to museums and places of worship, Olson Kundig incorporates an impeccable industrial aesthetic into each project. Chicken Point Cabin, now a classic example of groundbreaking contemporary architecture, showcases a departure from conventional door making. Most architectural firms don't create bespoke details like mechanically diverse entryways, but Olson Kundig thrives on experimentation and never-before-seen design solutions. This property has been praised for years for its ability to convey both modern humility and power in its structural advancements. Chicken Point Cabin is a tactile house that invites physical interaction before it opens up, dissolving the boundaries between inside and outside. The large movable glass and steel window is a clear reminder of the wonder of traditional mechanical physics, something often taken for granted today. It stimulates our visual senses and reconnects us with the magic of the physical forces around us. While Chicken Point's large movable facade is primarily functional, the mechanism itself is one of the most beautiful components ever created for a remote residence. Olson Kundig's work reminds us that a single architectural detail can become the standout feature of a building, steering away from the ordinary and into the realm of extraordinary architecture.